How to find someone's phone number from their TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find someone's phone number from their TikTok account. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll get this type of interface. From here, you'll have to just open any person's or TikTok account profile. For that, simply tap on their profile, and from here, if they have been added their phone number from their profile section, you can manually access or view it from there. So this is the only one method. Like, you can't directly extract or view someone's private phone number if they have not provided on their profile section. Like in my case, I have provided my Discord link here. In your case, if you find any TikTok account phone number here, you can manually find it from here. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.